What's up, guys? It's Matteo from Conquered Leads here, and this is the role of AI in crafting cold emails. So there are 5 main functions that I use AI for. So market research, formatting, typically from the lead list, and spin tax, generating unimportant text. So usually that's just like the secondary domain creation names, and personalization. So should you use AI to write scripts? I don't think you should, especially not from scratch, just because it doesn't produce good results from scratch. This is subject to change, however. It's April 2024, so maybe in the future it could be good to write from scratch, but from now I wouldn't suggest to do it because it just sounds too much like AI. Doesn't sound like a human wrote it. And you can try as much as you want with the prompts, but in my opinion, it isn't good enough. So yeah, I wouldn't rely on AI. I would only use it to amplify your current strategy and to increase efficiency, nothing else. So in terms of market research, you could do this for your lead list, so you can find out the relevant job titles, what technologies your ICP use, what industry they are in, keywords, or number of employees. So for example, let's say I've got ChatGPT here. Let's just say I want to make a prompt for a lead list. Let's say I am e-commerce agency owner. I want to define my ideal client through job titles, technologies used. What else? Industry, keywords, and number of employees. Use these fields to come up with my ICP. Let's just say my ideal client is Shopify brands doing 100K per month. And as you can see, it's spitting out data for what your ICP wants. So yeah, this is a very generic and basic prompt. I wouldn't suggest to use this. The reason why I'm not giving away the best prompts are just because I simply think it is very relevant to your niche, and I don't want to provide you with false or shit prompts. So that's what you can do for market research to build your lead list. In terms of lead list formatting, you can format the company names and job titles. So usually when you scrape these leads off Apollo or whatever you scrape your leads from, they would have some weird things in the lead list of the actual field. So for example, in the company name, it might say LLC or PTY, which you don't want to do when you're using that as a variable in your actual cold emails. Same with the job title. So this is the results for the e-commerce agency owners, as you can see. But yeah, so let's say, for example, you can say format this job title, or format this company name to make it seem legit, remove all LLCs and anything unrelated to the actual company name. And then let's say Conquered Leads LLC, we book sales calls for agency owners. See, as you can see, it removed all of this and just said Conquered Leads. So that's what you can do in terms of formatting. Same thing for job title, but for now I just did company name. Next is spin tax. So you can increase the number of variations of your script. You can do the subject lines or the script itself. What I usually like spin taxing at the very least are the greetings, the farewells, the unsubscribe text, and the signatures. So for example, spin tax this with this format. See, as you can see, it came up with hello, hi, greetings, hey. So you can plug this directly into Smart Lead and it will randomize this for every email you send. Let's just do another one for mind if I send, oh wait, let's copy and paste this. Mind if I send you a video showing how we do this. And it should spit out data that literally randomizes this. As you can see, there's like so many variations and it's pretty much limitless on what you can spin tags. So the next thing is generating unimportant text. So usually for domain name creation, you can have unlimited variations pretty much when you add prefixes, suffixes, and removing vowels as an example. So for example, we could say write or generate 30 variations of the following domain name. Add suffixes and prefixes. Make sure they are only .com domains. As you can see, these are very simple domain names to buy, and when you add prefixes, suffixes, and removing the vowels, you literally have unlimited domain names to choose from. If you want to buy 1,000 inbox, you could easily do that. So next is personalization. So we want to gather data like company name, the company website, and SEO description. So let's bring this down. So I've got an example here of just mine. So let me copy and paste that. I would say using the following data, write me generate a personalized first line I can use for my cold email, pitching my services. And then this is not what we want, so we could say something like compliment the company Now, obviously, this is really bad and you don't want to use this, but yeah, I'm just showing what's possible with AI. So as I said before, I wouldn't recommend doing this itself, but once you do have a system that works and you just want to amplify it, you would use AI to do it. Let's try and make this better. Yeah, so this is pretty bad, but you get the point. This is how you can use AI to write personalized lines. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing it like this, and you need to have a really good prompt and a good system, and you need the right data as well. Like I just made this quick fake data here, but yeah, I would only use this once you have personalized lines that worked, probably written by yourself first, and then you try to copy it once you're seeing results and try to make a prompt out of it. So yeah, that's pretty much the role of AI in crafting cold emails. Hope you guys found value in the video, and yeah, that's it. Thanks.